Hello, Jazz? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but your voice is a little low.
1 second. Is it clear now?
Yes, much better. Why didn't you come to school today?
I was not feeling well. I had a fever.
Oh no, are you feeling better now?
A little better, but I still feel weak.
You should take proper rest.
Yes. By the way, what happened at school today?
A lot of things happened.
Really? Tell me everything.
First, we had a math class.
Which chapter did you study?
We started a new chapter on algebra.
Oh no, I missed that.
Don't worry, I will help you understand it.
Thank you. That really helps.
Then we had an English class.
What did the teacher teach?
She started a new story.
Was it interesting?
Yes, it was quite interesting.
Did she give any homework?
Yes, a small assignment.
I really don't like missing school.
It's okay. Your health is more important.
Wait, your voice is breaking. Hello? Can you hear me now?
Yes, now I can hear you clearly.
I think it's a network issue.
Yes, that happens sometimes.
Okay, please continue.
The science teacher did not come today.
Really?
Yes, we had a free period.
That sounds nice.
Yes, we were just talking and laughing.
I wish I had been there.
We missed you.
That's kind of you to say.
Then we had a Hindi class.
Was it boring as usual?
Yes, it was quite boring.
I expected that.
The teacher asked about you.
What did she tell her?
I told her that you were unwell.
That's good.
After that, we had lunch break.
What did you bring for lunch?
I brought pasta.
That sounds delicious.
What did you eat?
I only had something light. I didn't feel like eating much.
You should eat properly to recover faster.
Yes, I will try.
Then we had a computer class.
What did you learn?
We learned the basics of coding.
That sounds interesting.
It really was.
You will help me with that, right?
Of course I will.
Thank you so much.
The last period was games.
Which game did you play?
We played basketball.
I love basketball. I missed it.
Yes, you did.
That's unfortunate.
You can play next time.
Yes, I hope so.
Oh, and there was a surprise test.
What? Are you serious?
Yes, it was in English.
I'm glad I stayed home today.
You were lucky this time.
Was it easy?
It was easy, but a few questions were tricky.
I might have struggled.
No, you would have done fine.
Thank you for saying that.
You're welcome.
I'm feeling a bit sleepy now.
You should rest.
Thank you for telling me everything.
Anytime.
Goodbye. Take care.
Goodbye. Get well soon.
Wait, before you hang up, I have a few more questions.
Sure, go ahead.
Did the teacher announce anything important?
Yes, actually.
What is it?
There's going to be a class test next week.
Oh no, in which subjects?
Math and science.
That sounds stressful.
It's not too difficult if you prepare well.
I need to catch up quickly.
I will help you with the notes tomorrow.
Thank you, that means a lot.
You're welcome.
Did anything funny happen today?
Yes, something really funny happened.
Tell me.
One student answered a question completely wrong.
What happened then?
The whole class started laughing.
That must have been embarrassing.
Yes, but even the teacher smiled.
That makes it less awkward.
Exactly.
Wait, your voice is not clear again.
Really? Can you hear me now?
Yes, now it's better.
This network is really annoying.
I agree.
Anyway, there is also a project submission.
What project?
A science project on the environment.
When is the deadline?
Next Friday.
That's soon.
Yes, but we have enough time.
I will start working on it tomorrow.
Good idea.
Did you choose your topic?
Yes, I chose air pollution.
That's a good topic.
What about you?
I think I will choose water pollution.
That's also interesting.
Did the teacher give any instructions?
Yes, we have to make a chart and write a short report.
Okay, I will note that down.
I can send you the details on message.
That would be great.
Also, there is going to be a group activity tomorrow.
What kind of activity?
A debate competition in class.
That sounds fun.
Yes, but you will miss it.
That's unfortunate.
Don't worry, there will be more chances.
I hope so.
Are you taking your medicine on time?
Yes, I already took it.
Good. You should not skip it.
I won't.
Are you drinking enough water?
Yes, I'm trying to stay hydrated.
That's good for recovery.
I feel a little better after talking to you.
I'm glad to hear that.
You explained everything so clearly.
I tried my best.
You always help me.
That's what friends are for.
You're right.
Do you need anything else?
No, I think that's all for now.
Okay.
I will revise everything once I feel better.
That's a good plan.
Thank you again.
You're always welcome.
I should rest now.
Yes, please take care of yourself.
I will.
Message me if you need anything.
I will definitely do that.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye. Take care.